Did you know you can get paid for watching YouTube videos? It's true. You can earn extra cash in 2024 by doing something you already enjoy. It's a fun and easy way to make money online. Whether you're saving for a vacation or just want some spending money, this could be your ticket. Many people are adding this to their side hustle list. It's super flexible. You can watch videos on your own time whenever it works for you. So how does it work? Let's dive in. Getting started is simple. First, you'll need to find platforms that pay you to watch videos. These platforms connect businesses with viewers like you. Businesses want people to see their content. You get paid for your time and attention. Once you've chosen a platform, sign up for a free account. This usually involves providing your name, email address, and creating a password. Next, you'll browse the available videos and start watching. You might see ads, movie trailers, or even full-length shows. As you watch, you'll earn points or cash rewards. It's that easy. There are many platforms out there, but not all are created equal. With the rise of the gig economy and the increasing number of people looking to make money online, it's more important than ever to be discerning about which platforms you choose to invest your time and effort in. It's essential to choose legitimate and reliable platforms to avoid wasting your time. Scams and unreliable sites can not only waste your time, but also potentially compromise your personal information. Therefore, doing thorough research is crucial. Look for platforms with positive reviews and a history of paying their users. User testimonials and ratings can provide valuable insights into the reliability of a platform. Additionally, checking for any red flags in the reviews can help you avoid potential pitfalls. Some popular and trustworthy options include platforms that have been around for a while and have built a solid reputation. These platforms often offer a variety of ways to earn, catering to different interests and skills. Swagbucks. This platform is known for its wide variety of earning opportunities, including watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. Swagbucks has been a favorite for many due to its user-friendly interface and the multitude of ways to earn points, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Inbox Pounds. This platform offers a variety of ways to earn, with a focus on watching videos and completing surveys. Inbox Pounds is particularly popular in the UK and has a straightforward payout system, making it easy for users to cash out their earnings. My Points. Another popular choice. My Points lets you earn rewards for watching videos, taking surveys, reading emails, and more. My Points has been around for over 2 decades, providing a reliable way for users to earn points that can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, including travel miles, gift cards, and cash. When choosing a platform, consider what types of activities you enjoy and how much time you can realistically dedicate to these tasks. Some platforms may offer higher payouts for more time-consuming tasks, while others provide quick and easy ways to earn small amounts of money. Setting clear goals and tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and make the most of your time on these platforms. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or aiming for a more substantial income, finding the right platforms is key to your success. Remember, the best platforms are those that align with your interests and offer reliable payouts. By doing your research and choosing wisely, you can turn your online activities into a rewarding and profitable venture. Let's take a closer look at Inbox Pounds. This platform is a favorite for many because it offers a good balance of videos and surveys. You can earn a few cents to $1 or more per activity. They also often have sign-up bonuses, giving you an instant boost to your earnings. To maximize your earnings on Inbox Pounds, be sure to complete your profile surveys. These help match you with relevant videos and surveys, increasing your earning potential. Remember to check your inbox regularly for new earning opportunities. Swagbucks is another great platform to consider. It's known for its wide range of earning options. You can earn Swagbucks points, called SBs, by watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, and more. You can redeem your SBs for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or even get cash back through PayPal. One of the best things about Swagbucks is its low payout threshold. You can cash out your earnings with as little as $3 in your account. This makes it easy to start seeing rewards from your efforts quickly. Here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings while watching videos. Whether you're doing this as a side hustle or just for some extra cash, these strategies can help you make the most out of your time. First, be consistent. The more you watch, the more you earn. Set aside some time each day or week to dedicate to your video watching side hustle. Consistency is key in building up your earnings over time. Think of it like any other job. The more hours you put in, the more you get out of it. Second, multitask wisely. While you can have videos playing in the background while you do other tasks, be mindful of the platform's rules. Some platforms may have specific requirements about how much attention you need to pay to the videos. For example, they might require you to interact with the content or answer questions to prove you're actually watching. Some platforms require your active attention, so make sure you understand the requirements. Read the guidelines carefully to avoid missing out on earnings because you didn't follow the rules. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of each platform you use. Lastly, take advantage of bonus offers. Many platforms offer bonus points or cash for completing certain tasks or reaching milestones. These bonuses can significantly boost your earnings, so keep an eye out for them. Sometimes these offers are time-sensitive, so act quickly when you see them. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your earnings. Additionally, join online communities or forums where people share tips and tricks about maximizing earnings on various platforms. You can learn a lot from others who are doing the same thing. Networking with others can also lead to discovering new platforms or methods to increase your income. Remember, the key to success in earning money by watching videos is to stay informed and be proactive. The more you know and the more effort you put in, the more you'll get out of it. Happy watching and happy earning. I've been using platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Pounds for years as part of my side hustle strategy. It's a fun and easy way to earn extra cash in my spare time. I often have videos playing in the background while I'm cooking dinner or folding laundry. It's a simple way to make the most of my time. I've been able to use my earnings for things like gift cards for myself and extra spending money on vacations. It's a nice little bonus, and it feels good to get paid for something I enjoy doing anyway. In Section 8, a few important reminders. Before you dive into the world of paid video watching, here are a few important things to remember. This is not a replacement for a full-time job. While you can earn some extra cash, it's unlikely to replace your primary source of income. Be patient. It takes time to build up your earnings. Don't get discouraged if you don't see a huge income stream right away. Choose your platforms wisely. Stick with reputable platforms that have a history of paying their users. Section 9. Ready to start earning? If you're looking for a fun and flexible way to earn extra cash online, watching videos is a great option. It's easy to get started, and you can do it from anywhere with an internet connection. With a little effort and consistency, you can turn your downtime into a profitable side hustle. Section 10. Turn your viewing habits into cash. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a few platforms, start watching videos, and start earning today. You might be surprised at how much you can earn by doing something you already enjoy. Happy watching. Section 11. Disclaimer. This information is for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before signing up for any online platform. Earnings may vary and there is no guarantee of income.